Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Studied. In this video we are going to make a QR code generator using Python. With this generator we can convert any text, any numbers, any URL into QR code. We can even save the QR code in PNG format, SVG format. Okay, so let's begin. So first of all we will need the pyqrcode library. Okay, in this video we are just demonstrating the use of this pyqrcode library. Okay, so first of all we will import the pyqrcode library. Okay, if you don't have it installed, okay, you can check it from the console. If you have it installed, you simply import pyqrcode in the console and press enter. If it goes in the next line, that means it's already installed. If it's not installed, you can write pip install pyqrcode and then it will install it for you. But I already have it installed, so it will just say that I have it installed and it won't install more. After importing this library, we need to declare a variable str that will take the input which we want QR code as a message. Okay, so like text for encryption, let's say that. Okay, okay, now see, this is optional if you want it, but suppose you are making many numbers of QR codes, so it's better that you name them. So we will write a name variable. Okay, input. For naming the file we're going to save, we can put name. Okay, so these two, str will be the text or number, anything you want to put it inside the QR code, and name will be the name of the QR code. Now we'll take another variable, let's say any variable you want, ab equals to, we'll create the QR code now, pyqrcode.create. We must be creating it of str because that value will be inside the QR code. After creating it, we need to save it. So ab dot, we can save it in PNG format, so ab.png. Now we need to give it a path. If you don't give it the path and simply give the name, it will just save it in the normal library where the code is saved. But suppose I have a special path, I have made a folder. Okay, its name is Python exps, then QR code. Okay, now this is done. Now we will write name, sorry, this is not it, name dot png. This has been saved into PNG. Now we'll give it a scale. Scale will define the size of it. Suppose I give it the scale of 6, so it will be by 6 by 6 dimension. If we increase it, the size will increase also. So here I am giving it a scale of 6. Okay. Now we will save this in .svg format. Let's just copy this and do this necessary changes. Okay, with svg, and this we can increase this size here. Okay, so this program is ready. The pyqrcode generator is ready. See, I run the file and text for encryption. So we gave it hello, like and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, now after pressing enter, we want to the name, so we will name it as promotion. Okay. Okay, it's done. So here is the folder. Okay, here the two QR code have been made. Okay, now to scan this, well, I have installed an application on my phone, so I'm just going to scan it fast. Let's open one here. Okay, I made the scanning. Okay, so you will be seeing the phone screen on one side of the video. So after scanning, the same text I've written is already visible on my phone. So this was all for today's video. Thank you everyone. I will just zoom the code so that you can clearly read it. Okay, thank you everyone for watching. Do like the video if you enjoyed it and learned something new, and this code will be available in the description also, so you can download the code also. Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you.